No matter your color, no matter your origin, no matter your age, here, everyone is welcome. This is a space where different musical styles come together with one purpose: to praise and worship the Lord. From soft worship to vibrant rhythms, every song is created to touch your heart. Here there are no barriers, no borders, just one sound. The sound of worship that unites us all. This is your space for music, faith, and hope. Join us. Feel the presence. Worship with us.